Hello students. Today we'll study the second chapter of history, that's kings, farmers and towns. Let us see some of the developments that happened between 600 BC and 600 CE. During this period several developments took place. After the end of civilization, we find the dispersal of people to different parts of India. Then we find the composition of Rigveda during this time along the river Indus and its tributaries. Agricultural settlements emerged in many parts of the subcontinent. Emergence of new model of disposal of the dead. Emergence of new towns and kingdoms. Let us see the sources through which historians understand the history of this period. Inscriptions, text, coins and visual materials, which include fine pottery, bowls and dishes. Then we find ornaments, tools, weapons, vessels, figurines, etc. provide enough knowledge to the historians to study about this period. Let us see why 6th century BC is regarded as a major turning point in the early Indian history. It's an era associated with early states and cities. It is also associated with the growing use of iron. It's an era associated with the developments of coinage. It witnessed the growth of diverse systems of thought and emergence of new religions like Buddhism and Jainism. It is also associated with the emergence of 16 Mahajanapadas. Let us study about the Mahajanapadas and its features. Vaji, Mahada, Koshala, Kuru, Panchala, Gandhara and Avanti were most important Mahajanapadas during those days. And 6th century BC is known for the rise of 16 major Mahajanapadas. And these Mahajanapadas were ruled by kings or ganas. And each had its own capital, which was often fortified. Some states maintained permanent standing armies recruited from the peasantry and regular bureaucracies. Dharma Sutras laid down norms for the kings and other people. Function of the rulers were to collect taxes and tribute from the people. Let us see the reasons for the growth of Magadhan power. Magadha had many powerful and ambitious rulers. Availability of iron, availability of elephants, fertile soil provided agricultural productivity, cheap and convenient communication provided by river Ganga and its tributaries, the location of Pataliputra, and the capital Rajgriha was located amongst hills which provided more secure environment. The rise of Magadha culminated in the emergence of the Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of the empire who extended control up to Afghanistan and Balochistan. His grandson Ashoka, the most famous ruler, conquered Kalinga.